Isang viral post ang kumakalat online na maling ikonekta sa politika ang isang video ng isang veteranong pulis. Hindi po ito totoo. Ang video ay hindi tungkol sa pag-resign, hindi rin ito pahayag laban sa pamahalaan. Ito ay footage mula sa opisyal na retirement honors ng isang miyembro ng PNP, isang seremonya ng pagkilala at pasasalamat sa kanyang tapat na serbisyo. Sa tunay na okasyon, malinaw ang konteksto. Ito ay formal na mensahe ng pasasalamat sa paliwanag sa kanyang pagretiro. Walang anumang pagbanggit ng katiwalian, pamamalakad o isyong politikal. Mismong si Police Executive Master Sergeant Abulkair Bangkola na gumagamit ng account name na Abibangs sa Facebook ang honoree at ito ay kanyang opisyal na pahayag online. Sa kasamaang palad, ang kanyang video ay binigyan ng maling caption, kinuha sa maling konteksto at ginamit upang magpalaganap ng maling naratibo. Isang malinaw na halimbawa ng misinformation, disinformation at malicious use of content. Narito ang totoong kuha ng kanyang speech sa retirement ceremony.
Sorry, today marks a milestone I never imagined would come so quickly. After 28 years in the police service, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude, humility, and pride. I never imagined that 28 years would pass in the blink of an eye. But here we are today. This moment is a bittersweet. While I look forward to the next chapter of my life, I cannot deny leaving this uniform, this second family, and this calling is one of the hardest things I will ever do. When I entered the service nearly 3 decades ago, I was given with a simple dream to serve with honesty, loyalty, and purpose. I wanted to be a part of something bigger than myself, to contribute to the safety, trust, and peace our community deserves. Over the years, especially during my time in the Police Community Relation Group, now PCG, I learned that policing is not just about enforcing the law. It's about building bridges, earning respect, and touching lives. Sa totoo lang po, isa akong idealist. I intended to serve the PNP, baon ng pangarap, na I am creating a safer and better community for my children, family. After years in service, siguro po, at kahit papaano, in my own little ways, I have made an impact to all of you. I witnessed firsthand how compassion can calm conflict, how dialogue can prevent violence, and how genuine service can restore people's faith in the badge we wear. Many of my most meaningful memories come from operation, came not from operation, but through conversation. With parents, youth, barangay leaders, even those I toured in the PNP Museum, and an ordinary citizen who reminded me why our work matters. Huwag sana natin tingnan ng ating uniforme na kasuotan lang. To most, our uniform means hope. As I rose to the ranks, became senior police officer, the responsibility grew heavier. So did the honor. Every challenge, every long night, every difficult decision shaped me into the officer and the person I am today. I am proud to say I served with integrity and I retire with the name clean. My conscience is clear, my loyalty intact. Thank you for giving me the honor to have stood as your just officer. To my fellow officer, maraming salamat po. Officer, PNCO, and NUPs. You have been my second family. We shared hardship, laughter, sacrifices, and victories together. I admire your courage, your resilience, and your unwavering commitment to duty. Continue to uphold the ideals of our profession. Protect your integrity as fiercely as you protect the public. Remember that the trust of our people is our greatest weapon, our greatest responsibility. Sa aking family, walang sapat na salita, pasasalamat. You endured my absences, my late night calls, my fears, and my sacrifices. Every achievement in my career is all yours. Although wala rito yung aking family. Kasi hindi pa naman ito yung retirement natin. Outgoing. Hindi na bago sa PNP personnel ang mangulila. May naiwang pamilya para sa serbisyo. Nag-PSBRC ako na may isa na po akong anak. At that time, 1-year-old po yung aking anak na ngayon ay pulis na umiiyak tuwing aalis po ako ng bahay at sisigaw ang daddy. Awa ng Diyos, pulis na rin siya ngayon. And like to thank siya. Sabi niya, ako naging inspirasyon niya sa pagpasok sa PNP. As I retired today, o hindi pa naman retired, going out, I live with sadness, but with fulfillment. I may be hanging my uniform, but I will never stop being a public servant. At heart, my commitment to help, uplift, and serve will remain, only in a different way. Dahil malapit na rin akong maging civilian. Again, to the men and women who continue the mission, I leave you this: serve with honor, lead with compassion, and always remember why choose the path. Again, you are hope for the masses and justice to be oppressed. Do good and be good. Maraming salamat sa 28 years. Actually, mag 27 lang kasi yung na-serve ko sa Pro Bar yung may isang taon. Maraming salamat sa tiwala, magkakaisa, maglalakbay na kasama nyo. It has been an honor of a lifetime. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang kapulisan, mabuhay ang PKG. Thank you very much, sir.
Paalala ng PNP, kahit sino ay maaring mabiktima ng fake news, kahit totoong video ay maaaring baluktutin kapag nilagyan ng maling salita o maling interpretasyon. Maging mapanuri, i-verify ang source at i-report ang content na malinaw na nakakapinsala. Ang tamang impormasyon ay proteksyon at ang Police News Network ay naninindigan sa paghahatid ng malinaw at beripikadong balita. Ito ang bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas, serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.